This is a 2025 Toyota Tacoma, and what we've done to it is added a 1/2 inch spacer from Peak suspensions, and this is kind of the result. So this video is really just to show anybody that's really looking just to kind of level it out, but not completely leveled. So this truck comes with about 2 inches of rake from factory. And for those who don't know what rake is basically how the truck looks from back to the front. So from factory, the truck is 2 inches higher in the back than it is in the front. So what we've done to this truck is just added the 1/2 inch spacer from Peak suspension, like I mentioned, and that gave it about 1 inch of lift in the front. Now this truck still has about 3/4 of rake, which in my opinion is perfect. So that way if you do use your bed for hauling anything, it won't be squatting when you're driving down the street. And for the wheels and tires we have a Falken Wildpeak in the 285/70/17, which comes out to a 33-inch tire. And then the wheel is an RRW wheel, RS2 in the step lip. This wheel is a 17/8 wide and a +12 offset. And you will see here, it does poke out from the fender flares just a little bit, but in my opinion, it kind of makes the truck have a really nice stance. So for those of you guys who want a very inexpensive way to just give your truck a little bit of lift and it makes it look a lot better, that's kind of why we made this whole video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you guys next time.